Alright guys, so I'm looking to take this shore, and we are in a strong supply zone, plus we have this trend line, just waiting for some sort of confirmation to getting short here. Also have some very strong CBD divergences, in the 5 minute, the 1 minute, the 50 minute as well. Okay, so now we're breaking down. Okay, let me see us sweep this high, somewhere around here, or even after sweeping this high. I would love for us to sweep this high. Love it so much. That'll be like a blessing. Now we're just waiting. I missed the short. Starting in uptrend here. Gotta be cautious shorting now because these lows are holding. Oh, what happened here? There we go. Let me put some music. So I'm kind of bored. All right. Yeah, we're pushing up, slowing on momentum. ATR is coming down, having some exhaustion here at the top, plus a loss of momentum. Perfect. Liking this. Just need to sweep this high right here. Now I need to see shorts coming in. For me to get in short, I need to see some shorts coming in. Shorts are getting absorbed, so there's a bigger bull player. Yep, absorbing all their shorts. It's a bunch of shorts here concentrated at that one level. We might have a fail option. Let me put an alert here because now some of the longs are getting absorbed. So we are seeing absorption from both the longs and the short in this whole area, all this area right here. There's just absorptions from both sides. So I need to see who has the bigger momentum. As soon as I see a big candle, that's when I know, okay, shorts got into control or longs got in control. Right now, there's absorption from both sides, so I don't want to take either a long or a short. I'm just gonna wait. Are we forming some sort of bearish pattern, any sort of pattern? I don't see anything going on right now, so no. Maybe like a double top if we break this level now, the middle of the daily range. Volume definitely slowing down. Still with our bearish, bearish. Yeah, this is still bearish in my opinion. Version to 15 as well. Actually, no. 15? Yes. Yeah, we're bearish in all time frames. I want to see us sweep this high. Then I'll consider the potential for a short. So we try to break below this area that I have marked. Now we're coming back up with low volume. Boom. Got all of that. It's a bunch of freaking longs trapped there. If I see some shorts coming in, I'm definitely shorting this. Need to see a bunch of shorts come in though. Because now all of this bulls are trapped here at the highs. But there's no sign of any bears coming in. Literally. So maybe like a little fail option. Nothing. Literally nothing going on. Hello? Are we seeing momentum, guys? Nope. No momentum. Little clusterfuck here. Zero freaking momentum. Holy shit. Oh, I'm just gonna wait for the market to give me some sort of sign of being alive. This shit's so slow. It's literally dead. Yeah, not taking any shorts here. We tested the middle of previous day range as support. Bulls came in. Bears are literally scared to short. Isn't that funny? Have you ever seen a bear scared to short? I was long biased. I wanted price to come back down to this lows, but it never did. Instead, we're, continue going higher into this trend. Hey, today's a long day, maybe. This is one of those days that just got long the dip. Long every dip. We were in longs from this morning. I'm not sure if I would have taken this long though, but this was a long here and another long here. Oh, hold up. Oh, this is what I was looking for. Now we're getting that momentum. A double top. Damn. But now that my stop is 13 points. Maybe getting micros. Yeah, getting micros. Good. I would have loved to take in this trade with minis, but my stop is way too far. That's 15 points. Stop. Okay, where are we taking this trade to? Maybe it gives us a nice little area to add. Again, there's a lot of volume concentrated here in this area. Yeah, we might take it to this area around here. That's where I'm buying. So it'll be pretty much a risking 16 points to make almost 30. So almost a 1 to 2. Okay, we might add here. Let's check. How does this look here? Need to clear these shorts. Looks so bad. Let me just go back to the micro short. I want to see us breaking down this lows, especially here. Yeah, if we break down this low, I might add. So far, I'm just gonna watch, waiting patiently. Gotta be patient, guys. Want to see us breaking down this low at the very least. Yeah, we might get stopped out unless we start dumping now at this level. That's 53 contracts that got absorbed. Yeah, we're most likely gonna lose this trade because shorts are getting absorbed. Should we close the trade now? How far are we away from our stop loss? Only 6 points. I'll just wait for us to get stopped out, to be honest, because anything could happen here. The longs are also getting absorbed. It will be lovely if we break down this level with high volume. I might add again. Okay, high volume. High volume, high momentum. Not really. Yeah, it's high volume. Not as many shorts as I want to. Not as much momentum. I might close the trade here. You see? I might close it. Boom. Immediately after I close the trade, pow! Would have gotten stopped out. Look at all that shit. Oh my god, 1.1k longs to the upside. Ooh, nasty, nasty. Okay, so we're down 117. Not bad. That's very manageable. Let's go back to minis. Let's see what's going on. Let me delete all of this shit. Imagine we get a dump. No, that was initial balance high. That will be lovely, actually. Yeah, look at this. We're getting some sort of dump pool. Let me clean these charts up a little bit more. It's just getting confusing at this point. What is this range? What's going on? Okay, so we're back inside. You know what? I'm gonna wait for this long. I'm not taking shorts, actually. I'm gonna just wait for us to get some sort of retracement. Yeah, now we're getting the dump pool. Look at this. Look at this, guys. That's the dump pool. 15 points. Gotta love the market. I didn't know we were so close to initial balance high. Didn't know that it was already 10:30. Because now I would have just waited. Patience, patience, patience. It's already 11 a.m. Gotta be more patient. Took one trade with micros. We lost it. Now we're back to minis. Oh, there it is. Take care, longs. Nice to meet you. Oh, they're coming back. They don't want to lose that trade. Okay, I get it. You're gonna lose that trade, longs. Shorts are in control still. Okay, this big web is holding very nicely. We still haven't gotten any candle closest below big web. I might be wrong about the longs. Maybe they do end up pushing price higher. Because now we're forming this sort of double pattern. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. We break out here. It's a good time for the longs. Gotta break this area with high volume, decent volume. Need to see more momentum. We're not getting that momentum. Yeah, we're not getting that momentum. Maybe we just come back down, get them stopped out. If I wasn't long, I'll literally just close my trade here. So I don't like all of this. If it goes higher, I wouldn't care because it's showing me signs of momentum. Shorts getting absorbed. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. That was 140, 150 shorts coming in here getting absorbed. Well, maybe After seeing this, I know. I would have kept it. Yep, there it is. Push him back down. Push it back down. Finally getting some momentum from the Bears. Oh. He in a bit of trouble. Yep. Nope. Yep. Big trouble. Humongous trouble. Close the fuck out of the lungs if you're in lungs. We'll close this shit right here. It's big trouble. Oh, never mind. I don't know how to trade. Bumping up again. Shit. Just looks like it's gonna continue going lower. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this thing's gonna come lower. I'm just gonna wait for it. Gonna take a 5-minute break. Then I'm gonna be right back. Have alerts. So once price come back down to this lows, I'll see if I get into the long or no. But this is just a clusterfuck. You don't want to be trading clusterfucks like this. Look, there's no momentum to the downside. Most likely we're gonna come down. Be right back. Alright, that was not 5 minutes. That was probably like a minute. Just needed to use the bathroom. What's going on? What's going on with the price action? Okay, still in the clusterfuck. You don't want to be in any trades right here, guys. If you ever get caught up in a clusterfuck like this, never hold your trades at all, because you're just gonna end up getting fucked by the market. I've seen this of times. When price is doing this, wants you to think that you should buy this. Never buy this shit, guys. Never ever. Low probability. Instead, wait for this shit to come back lower. And then buy. Finish my tea. See the 5-minute big web. Oh, that's not what I wanted to change. This chart. 5-minute big web still sitting down here. Loving this. Yes. Keep buying so the drop is harder. And I get to make even more money. Yes. Everybody who's long here. ICT traders. Fair value gaps. Where my fair value gaps at? Yeah, buy. Keep buying. You'll see. Wow. That's shabby. It's also this fifth level here. There he goes. Clusterfuck. I don't like that long as much. Yeah, these are just gonna be early. Early longs. Gonna get stopped out. We're gonna come take this low. Most likely. Yeah, this was a... Okay. Okay. Yeah, in my opinion, it's just early longs that are gonna get stopped out. They're not patient enough. Our edge as a trader is to be patient and not care at all if we miss the trade or not. There's always opportunity in the freaking market. Look at that. Oh, called it. Fucking called it. Come on. Let me see you sweep that low. Can you just sweep that low, please? Pretty please. I'm not gonna enter the long unless you sweep that low. I'm telling you. You can play with my feelings all you want, but I'm not gonna get into that long unless you sweep this low. I need to hear that alarm beep. Nope. No, thank you. Yeah, I know you want me to feel all this bullshit. Not gonna get into the long unless I see you sweeping this low. You're gonna finally sweep it now. See this? They engineer all of this liquidity here. They're pushing price back up, making you think that you missed the long opportunity. And now look at this. Pow! Straight like a torpedo. Longs got removed. Shorts got removed. That's why price went up. Now it's coming back down. They want you to miss the trade. Now it's coming lower. Pow! That's what I wanted to hear. Okay, is this a good time to long now? Is it a good time? Let's see. Imbalances? I need to see imbalances. No imbalance equals no trades. Oh, imbalance now. Fuck, this is so bad. Risk to reward ratio literally fucking sucks, but the trade is a trade. That's what we've been waiting for the whole time. I'm gonna keep it though. I'm liking this. I put my stop loss before I freaking forget. Not too shabby. Could be worse. So imbalanced right there. It'll suck if we lose this trade, but it happens. Yeah, we're gonna lose this trade. I didn't like our 10-point stop loss, but in terms of risk to reward, this was a good trade. So we're down for the day $300. There's definitely a long here, bro. Question. Maybe this one? Oh, definitely not that one. Never mind. Well, we might call it a day here, actually. Yeah, I might get this time. I'm gonna give time to this market to mature. Because now we're establishing a new trend. We're coming down. Man, and to think that I was shorting over here, man. And it didn't play out. Stop me out, man. I was shorting here. That's where I shorted. Then it came back up. Stop me out. And then boom. It's okay, though.